Getting an error F47 on my Whirlpool induction cooking range. I heard a pop like the fuse blowing before getting the error.
Is your Whirlpool range gas or electric? How old is it?
It is an electric induction range and is 4 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool range? What have you tried so far?
Been 2 days and I have disconnected the mains and connected it back.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. At some point the site will automatically ask if you want a phone call. If you don't, just ignore it. If you killed power to it and restored power and you still get the F47 error, then the power board has a failure, and it sounds that is likely considering you heard a pop before the error came up. If you give me the model number, I can give you the replacement part number for the board. Otherwise you will want to call a tech out to do it for you. There is not going to be any kind of reset to fix this error.
Hi Joel, the model is Yogi 925C0BSS0 and serial hash is D443064421. Just so you know, I am in Canada.
Okay, thanks for the model number. Give me just a minute to look this up. Thanks.
Hi Joel, I will call you once I receive the part/board and am ready to change it. Thanks.
The replacement power module board is part number W10886865. It can be found on eBay or online appliance parts companies. Just Google that part number and shop around.
Thanks Joel, I will look for the part at Whirlpool Canada and call you when it arrives.
This question will remain in your My Questions list on the site even after you have accepted the answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.